Today we're going to make delicious oatmeal cookies. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 10 ingredients. First, grab a medium bowl and mix together the flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. We want these dry ingredients to be really well combined. Now, in a large bowl, we're going to cream together the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. Grab your electric mixer and let's get the mixture creamy, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're adding in the eggs. Give it a good mix and then stir some vanilla. Once that's looking good, we'll slowly mix in our dry ingredients, adding half of the dry ingredients at a time. Just keep mixing until everything nicely combined. Now for the fun part, let's add the oats. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed in. Once that's done, we'll cover the bowl and pop the dough from the fridge to chill for at least an hour. When they are ready to bake, preheat your oven. Now let's take out our chilled dough and use ice cream scooper to get walnut-sized balls. Roll them with your hands to make round, smooth balls. Flatten each cookie slightly. I like my cookies with a checkered pattern on top. I use a meat tenderizer to help me. Finally, I sprinkle some colored sugar to make my cookies pretty. Now let's bake them for 10 minutes. After baking, let the cookies cool on the sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire racker to cool completely. And there you have it. Delicious homemade cookies are ready to enjoy.